I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. When I went to use the 8N this spring, it wouldn't want to start. The starter would turn over slightly, but it wouldn't turn over fast enough to start the engine. So today I went out and started taking off the wires and cleaning the connections. When I first put this together, I used steel washers and steel nuts. And over the years, I've had this tractor now a good, let's see, 22 years. During that time period, those nuts rusted. And I thought, you know what, I'm just going to swap those out and put in brass ones. And that should take care of the lack of contact. So I bought brass nuts and brass washers. I believe these bolts are copper plated. I'm connecting all these wires first before I connect the ground. That way, if I inadvertently touch the wrench against the frame of the tractor, I won't end up shorting out. Didn't realize till just now that I was wearing my wedding ring while I was doing the wiring. That's a mistake too. There, that's tight. Okay. I took this rubber cap off a lawnmower. Now let's stick this 5/16 fine thread nut on there. Huh. Looks like that's not a fine thread nut. The end of that bolt is stripped out. Looks like it arced. So I ended up having to put a couple of steel washers on there to shim the nut out far enough so it would be protected and still tighten up. Okay, got that part done. Before I put that neutral on, I want to make sure and tighten up the positive. There. Now to put on the negative. No arcing, that's always a good sign. Okay, that's tight. Let's turn on the key. Well, we got neutral. Oh, baby. Now we got it rolling. But I'm out of gas.
This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the U.S. or 16 in the European Union, without the express written permission of the parents or legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.